Hi, this is Abhijit. Today I'm going to show you how you can create an Android app using MIT App Inventor. So I'm going to show you how you can create a talking calculator using two text box and a button. So I am in the design screen for MIT App Inventor, and as you see, I have put some text boxes and buttons together. A text box is generally used to accept user input where user can type in something. So you can just click and drag a text box and put in here. The moment you put in here, you would find it under components and the properties would be displayed. You can do some quick checks of changing its background color or adding in a hint here. Since I've added them, I'll continue using it for the purpose of demo. I've added a button in the same way as you see here. The button got added. So I have a button here. Uh, I have a label added here to show the result and another label added here to interpret that I'm going to do an addition. Now, how do I do the addition? I have created a button here called result. Now I need to go into the blocks. When I come in the blocks, you would see I put in a code here which tells you how exactly it needs to happen. I've also added one more component, which is text to speech. So anything that you wish the application to read out for you is added as a text to speech, but it is going to be an invisible component. When I come back to the blocks, how do I get the block? So I need to say, if I click the button, I get the brown ones are the events. So if I add this in, though it is added, it's going to give me an error. And then I just take this out to show you how you add them in. So I need the label to text box. So I need to set a value in the label to and do a mathematical calculation. So I go under the built-in maths blocks, use the addition block, and then say a user has entered text box 1.text, and the user has also entered a text box 2.text. Add in here, so the addition takes place, and I say that add the text to speech and say anything that goes in the label should be spoken up by text to speech. Once this is done, you are ready to test the app. In order to test the app, I'm going to show you using my Android phone how you test it using an MIT App Companion. For that purpose, click on Connect and click on AI Companion. It will show you a Connect Companion screen from where you need to scan this and test the code in real situation. So I'm going to show you through my phone how you do it. Okay, so I have now launched MIT App Inventor Companion from my mobile phone, and let's scan the code that shows on my screen. It would take a quick few seconds to download the app to the simulator, and it shows up. So you rightly see the screen comes up, and I type in a number, and I type in another number and click on result. "24." So you see that it's a talking calculator which displays a result. 24. And even speaks about it. If you make any changes to the application itself, say right now, instead of I wish to change the background color of the second text box to something pink, and it should automatically refresh at your end for live testing. I type in the numbers again to test it back.
24.
And you see that it works immediately. So that was a nice, good way of quickly building a talking calculator.